So these are the tiles we're using. We're using Marshall's Colorado planks. As you can see, I bought myself one of those Grabos. Right, grab on with a Grabo. Yeah, so normally I would have been there with two hands doing it, and they would have just got crap all over my fingers. But now, check it out. Brilliant. I tell you what, best investment ever. I'll put a link in the display at the end. Grabo. Definitely grab yourself a Grabo. That's probably why they call it Grabo. Grab yourself a Grabo. Yeah, it's so much easier now. You can hover it in position without actually having to get underneath it and hold it with the sides, getting primer all over my fingers. Right, I've bung on a couple of spacers now. Yeah, top tool that. That is, I've done two investments lately. Well, last year I bought the saw, great investment. Then I invested in that Mosier measuring device, great investment. Now I just got myself another great investment. Right, I'll put a spacer there, one there, one there, one there ready. So, don't really need this thing anymore. Press the red button, off it pops. And definitely try not to get it too dirty. Right, I'll tap these ends down to where they gotta go. Put these clips on from Tyler's Tools. I'll put another link in the display somewhere. So I'll put that in where that's gotta go. And what I've noticed, which is really good to do with these as well, is to bang the tile down to where it's got to go, so you know it's not going to go anywhere. I'll put two of these 5mm spacers in. So now we've just got to bang the front down and push all the cement out. That's at the ideal height already, so we're good to go there. So right, let's tap this baby down. Yeah, these clips do like to pop out. Well, that's right. No biggie. Wrong end. Let me tighten that up. This bracket, let me tighten that end. Make sure the string line's clear. Well, I can put my last clip on there now. Another spacer. The other spacer. Tappy tappy tap taps. I feel like Woody Woodpecker. Tap tap tap. Right, happy with that. And when it's all in position, then tap it in as far as it'll go up against the spacers. Voila! So, Grabo. Grab yourself a Grabo. This is probably one of the best tools I've bought so far. This is class. But you'll see me using it loads more because I'm going to be using it for the rest of the job. Till then, I've got to prime another slab and stick another one in. See you in a bit. Let me tell you a funny little story. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I got home, I've had it now about a week. I've only just really started using it. I got home, package was there, two of them were sent, over the moon, opened up the packet, you know, like an excited boy, like, ooh, I'm all excited, let's have a look in the box. So I opened up the box, pulled it out, pressed the green button, it's not on, pressed the green button, made a noise, and I'm like, oh cool, yeah, what shall I pick up, what shall I pick up? So I was looking around, and what did I do? My iPad, the big one, the iPad Pro 12.9, whatever it is. So I walked over it, put that on it, pressed the button, started making a noise, got all excited, and all of a sudden I could hear the screen going. Quickly press the red button to release it, put the Grabo down, press the iPad, screen was all blue. I sucked the brains out of it. So Brilliant tool for tiles and blocks and plasterboard and glass and stuff, but do not pick up your iPad with it, because it's a really stupid idea and only dull, daft people do that. Grabo! Okay guys, so job's almost wrapped up now. I got one more big tile to go on, and my review for this thing is fantastic. Some of the main reasons are, like for example this tile, normally I would have to get corner to corner to actually put it in, which is difficult by itself. But using this, you don't actually have to bend down as far, so it's actually a bit better on your back. As you can see, I got my back support on, so this is helping so much. So job's virtually finished. One more big towel to go on. I'll let you see it. You can judge for yourself. Easy as that. Portable handle. And now it's just become so much easier to actually do, because I only have to bend down to there rather than going down to there. So for the tradespeople and stuff, really handy, because you haven't got to bend down so far, so it's got to be that bit better on your back. Press the button, take it off, tap it down, level it. Great. So Grabo, you definitely got yourself a good tool there, mate. Really, really good. And anybody else which is watching this video, I suggest you get them too. But don't try pick up your iPad, because that's just bloody stupid. Hopefully I'll get a new one Saturday. Alright people, thanks for watching. Glad you appreciate the work I'm doing. And like I said, Grabo, fantastic tool. This is my new favourite of 2021. See you on the next one. So, Saturday afternoon, and guess what just arrived? I got my new iPad. Happy days, over the moon about that. That was a bit of a shame that I Graboed it, sucked the brains out of it. Well, don't tell the insurance company, because apparently I sat on it. Right, enough about that. England-Wales is about to start. Come on, Wales.